This is everything you're going to need for this project. You've got 6 of these black plastic covers that will go over the steel hinges on your Jeep. Link down below to the product. And if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Let's go ahead and get...
Here is the passenger side, and really it's just as easy as taking this clip, getting it slid onto there, and snapping it in place. That's it. Let's move on. Here's the rear passenger, same procedure. Tailgate latch, same procedure. Throw it on there. Rear driver's side, rinse and repeat. And the driver's side. All things considered, it is about a 2-minute install tops. And I think it looks better. You can see that it hides the plain steel pretty well. If you ever want to take them off, they pop right off. The little tabs are on the left and the right, so you just take a little screwdriver, pop it in there, and snap it off. Thanks for stopping by.